there, it's Caitlin Matthews with your journey home at RE/MAX Alliance, and today we're here at the newest listing to the Evergreen area. Inside, you're sure to fall in love with the open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, big bedrooms, updated kitchen, and hardwood floors. So let's go check it out. Another thing you are sure to fall in love with this beautiful home is the convenient location. Located just 20 minutes to Conifer, minutes to hiking, and 15 minutes to desirable Evergreen Lake. Evergreen offers restaurants, hiking, wildlife, and the lake for fishing, skating, and so much more. So if you, your family, or your friends would like to call this place home, contact me for a private tour or for any questions. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.